The subject for this video is SharePoint document library views. They are used to slice and dice the content. Specifically, helps you categorize, browse, and search on content within the library. So click on the site, select a library, go up to the upper right area, select on the library settings. Library settings, more library settings. So here we are. There's the columns that we created in a prior video. We're going to click on Create a View. So you're going to click the standard view. You can have several views. You could, for this library, you could create a view to sort by project numbers, sponsor, document type, date, year. There's many different options. So here are some of the columns. You can see the ones we selected in a prior video. I'm going to add created and created by file size. That can help you with managing large documents and the version. Now you can also sort. So you could sort the documents by, say, sponsor, date, size. You could filter. So you could filter documents by sponsor, so only that particular sponsor shows up. Or only, you could sort or filter by a document type, so only show SOWs, for example, in the case of this library. And you can group by, which groups like documents together, and those are the orders in which the documents are displayed. The style, I go with the default because some of those different view styles can cause problems and they interfere with some functionality. So I stick with the default view, and it is just a simpler thing to do. It's a standard I adopted because of some of the quirks that I've seen. You can also limit the number of items. Default's 30. I don't go over 100 because once you start hitting the hundreds, depending on the library, it can slow the page refreshes and load, which creates usability problems. Great. So let's click OK. There we go. So let's play around with the filtering. Let's look at the file size. Smaller to larger, larger to smaller. So you can see how you can drill down and you can sort and you can surface data. So some complain that there's effort in adding the data when you upload a document, but longer term, it creates a much more intuitive experience. Let's search on project code. Filter by project code, sorry. So there we go. So let's clear the filter because we selected a code where there's no documents. Let's try the 5.6 code. So filter by the 456 code, apply. So here you go. So it's a very intuitive way of navigating documents, especially when you have a library that has hundreds or thousands of documents. It just helps you sort through, find, surface the content. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please click like and subscribe. Thanks a lot.